Hello, I'm Ali Reza, and I'm a Google Ads certified advertising professional. I'm also a Facebook Ads and being Ads certified advertising professional, being in this SEO and Google online industry for more than 15 years. So, in this video, I will show you how you can run ads for assignment writing or essay writing service. So, in case if you have an assignment writing or essay writing service and want to advertise in Google, in case if you do it directly, your account can get suspended. So, which is why you have to follow this video. But in case if you're looking for professional help, we also provide help you in setting up a campaign for your service, and before even handling to your account, we will run it on our account and get it approved. Once the ad is approved, we will then share it to your account. So in case if you're looking for our service, you can find the details in the description of this video. So without wasting time, let's get started on how you can run ads for assignment writing service or essay writing service. So first thing you have to keep in mind while creating is to understand what your competitors are doing. So in any field, the competitors learning of the competitors is very important. What your competitors do, that gives an eyesight on how you can do it. So for instance, if I let me show you in the Google US, what people are doing is you know in case if you write a keyword like this, by default you cannot promote assignment writing service on Google. So what the psyche the competitors are doing is adding run by assignment help. And let me show you one second. So for instance, you can see over here that once I run assignment assistance, I came to know an advertiser using SEMrush on you know what he did was plagiarism free virtuality. So they came up with the idea of assignment help service. Rather than writing get your assignment done, they did an idea of assignment help, and that is how they were able to get their ads approved and up and running for terms like Google Ads, like for terms like assignment assistance, assignment help, or any keyword. So in case if you want to run even for those keywords which are not allowed to run Google Ads, you can use DKI, dynamic keyword insertion, to get your ads up and running for keywords like this. And in case if you're looking for professional help in getting your account ads up and running regarding this without getting your account suspended for assignment services, so then you can hire us. The links are in the description of this video.